Mastering the essentials, the intricacies of rope and harness. Hello, and welcome to today's English language learning session. In this video, we're going to dive into the meaning and usage of the phrases rope and harness. Whether you're a climbing enthusiast, an adventurer, or simply keen on expanding your English vocabulary, this video is for you. Let's unravel the complexities of these terms together. When we talk about a rope, we're referring to a strong, thick line made from twisted or braided fibers. Ropes are used for various purposes such as tying, pulling, or lifting. They are essential tools in activities like climbing, sailing, and camping. But it's not just about the physical object. The word rope is also used metaphorically in expressions like at the end of one's rope, which means being in a desperate or hopeless situation. Moving on to a harness. A harness is a set of straps and fittings by which a person or animal can be attached to a rope or cable. It's most commonly associated with activities that require safety and stability, such as climbing or horse riding. In the broader context, to harness means to control and make use of, often referring to natural resources or energy. For instance, harnessing the power of the wind implies using wind energy efficiently. Together, the phrases rope and harness often appear in contexts involving safety and adventure activities. Understanding these terms is not just about knowing their definitions, but also about comprehending their practical applications and symbolic meanings. In conversations, these terms can enhance your descriptive ability and allow you to engage more authentically with topics related to outdoor activities, safety gear, or even metaphorical discussions about life's challenges and supports. I hope this video has been enlightening and that you're now more comfortable with the phrases rope and harness. Remember, language learning is not just about words but also about understanding the context and culture they're used in. Keep exploring, and you'll find that each new term adds a unique shade to your linguistic palette. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more insightful language learning content.